Good morning, everyone. As you can see, it's a beautiful,
nice sunny day. It's warm already.
Beautiful morning. All right, and we're back again.
Good morning.
Good morning times two. We are going to do 5 miles, like I said. Jump into town, do a 1-day resupply, and then get back on the trail. We're gonna try to hit the Fox General Store in Troutdale. Get a cheeseburger for Roper.
And for me.
And for Leah. And a Diet Coke for her.
Maybe 2.
But after that, depending on how long all that takes, then we're going to continue on. And
we'll just see how far we make it today.
Hopefully we get like 12 total in or something like that.
It did rain last night in the middle of the night.
Yeah, but our tent was
only for like a half an hour, I think. It like poured down super hard and then it just quit.
Our tent was dry in the morning.
Yeah.
So that was good. Today's supposed to be a high of 71. No rain on the forecast. Just beautiful spring weather. Let's keep it going.
Okay, let's go.
A quick little backstory on why green is my favorite color. I was stationed in Djibouti. It's in the Horn of Africa. There was like 4 months. There's like it's just, you're in like just a desert basically, and I hadn't seen anything like eye-catchingly like bold colors. And one day I was sitting like behind a container, like we used to call them clues, container living units, and I seen like some mold, or not mold, like some moss growing, like kind of algae-ish, growing on the backside of from the dripping of a air conditioner, and it was like the greenest green I've ever seen. Like nice, just I don't even like emerald green. And I was like, it just reminded me of like life, you know, like there's life even in like the most, you know, remote of deserted areas. And it just made me really appreciate you know, plant life and everything like that. But so that's the backstory on why I love green, and just shows like the rebirth of the seasons. And you know, fall's really nice with the colors and stuff, but then when winter hits and the trees lose all their leaves, just kind of depressing to me. Like I like the white snow, but if you don't live anywhere where there's white snow, it's kind of just bland for months, and then you get excited again for the rebirth. But that's why I love green.
changed. We were gonna take a shuttle into, I think it was Troutville or something, and then there was a general store there where we were gonna get burgers and then resupply. But when the shuttle showed up, it was dropping a bunch of people off, and Kevin asked the driver about the general store or something, and I guess it wasn't even open today. So it's a good thing that we didn't. Roper tried to hitch into town, but that didn't work. But so it's a good thing that we didn't even try to go anyway. So the new plan is we're going to push on, and it's gonna be about a 19-mile day, I think, today. But supposedly at this next shelter, you can order food to it. So pretty excited about that. I guess pizza, or we've also heard that they have takeout menus there, which is pretty fancy at the shelter. Also, I think that there is a shower at the shelter, but we'll see.
Like you, hoping, praying, run away to something new. My mistakes brought me to this place. I had to fall to get to you.
So this is the situation. We've been, oh, this is perfect. Leah. Oh. we've been bamboozled again twice today. So the cheeseburger place was closed.
I'm gonna get a
Like,
warm
got
pizza. I don't even have to
bought out
hold it.
by Dollar General or whatever, taken out of business by Dollar General.
Life's good.
And then the one main
ever
pizza
tell you that
place
before?
that delivers here to this shelter is closed on Mondays. Go figure. But we might be able to get Little Caesars to come out here, so we'll see.
Well, I didn't know you had that freaking neon.
All right. So cool. Right now, the Little Caesars thing came through. Rob provided trail magic all the way from down in Florida through Rick. We got them to order the food through the Little Caesars app, and DoorDash should be delivering it. So let's go. Thanks, Rob. Oops.
Thank you, Rob.
Thank you, Rob. Hey, buddy.
Thank you, Rick, for the phone call.
I wish you were stopped.
We're all done eating our pizza. I crushed it. Ate the whole large. I think everybody else made it halfway.
Yeah, I think so. That's
I only have
accurate.
3 pieces left.
Ooh, you made it
Ooh,
more.
Roper had 3 left. Leah and I are kind of just letting our stuff air out quick.
Yeah, it's still wet from last
Rick
night.
and Roper are putting their stuff up. We gotta be a little more vigilant tonight. There's like
A creepy man.
yeah, there was a guy that's acting funny around here.
We even had another hiker come up to us and warn us that he was acting strange.
Yeah, we were suspicious at first, and then this, like, he walked, like, the guy, we're about, what would you say, like 0.4 away from there?
From the shelter?
Yeah, we're about 0.4 away from,
Half mile.
and the guy, like, he's hiking with a sea bag. If you don't know what a sea bag is, it's just like an army duffel bag. And
Which is abnormal. You don't carry that on the trail.
so he like walked, like, we're like 0.4 away from the shelter. Like, we walked past it and kept going up this hill right here.
And he walked until he was about 50 feet away from us. Looked
Without
at
his
us,
bag.
and turned around and then went back.
Yeah, and then as soon as he went back, like 2 minutes later, another hiker came up and was like, "Do you guys know who that guy is? He's acting all."
Hear from us by tomorrow.
Yeah, he's acting all crazy. So, if
Which we're not trying to judge anybody
yeah.
or anything. It's just sometimes
you know,
you want to be aware of suspicious behavior.
you know that there's things out here, people like
There's
Iceman.
been
and,
people that have
yeah.
been arrested for harassing
year
females
already.
and stuff. So yeah, we're just gonna.
So I'm gonna put Lee on the outside, and I'll be on the inside, ready
He
to.
wants me to protect him.
What?
Yeah, you're gonna put me on the outside and you.
I'm on the inside, right by the.
Oh.
I'll shank him before he gets to you guys.
We're first. We'll be all right.
Roper will protect us.
We'll be all right though. But
Yeah, just hopefully he does.
tomorrow we got a surprise for you guys if everything works out. I mean, we're about to hit a really bad batting average right now with things working. Well, we got pizza
What are you
tonight.
talking about?
I'm not gonna tell
I
them.
don't even know what you're saying right now.
Tomorrow's gonna be a cool day. A little different, something different. But yeah,
No way.
we'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Wait, Roper, say bye.
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 Rick, say
Rick-
bye.
Bye-bye. I'll have a joke for you tomorrow.